Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today for another episode of what's in my Aliexpress basket. Lots and lots of gorgeous dies today, so it's all about dies. So the first one is this nested scalloped lace square frame dies, and they are £2.10, and you'll see from the photo on here, the next one coming up, how many you get. I do not know exactly, but there are a lot. So you've got lots of different sizes of scalloped squares there, so it's amazing. And this next one, oh my gosh, look at this. Build a dog dies. You get 18 pieces and you can make all of these dogs. £3.18. Look how cute all of these dogs are. They are just super. Look. Oh my goodness me, you will have so much fun. So 18 pieces in this die set. Lots and lots of options there for you. And if you like Christmas gnomes, we have these Christmas gnome dies, £1.50, and they make these adorable little gnomes, and then you've got all the little bits and pieces there as well. And then we have some flower lace. Oh no, sorry, this is just a framelit thin dies, and I think there's, I don't know, there's quite a few in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know, about 10 at least in that, and they are £7.09. And we have this flower lace edge die, £2.15, makes this absolutely stunning. You could just put that card by itself for an invite or something. They are super pretty. And this one I thought was a bit different. This is a 7-piece wreath flower die set, and it makes these kind of almost abstract sort of squiggle drawing leaves and swirls. Very super pretty. Really loving it. And this shows you how many you get in there and how big they are. Really cute. Then what do we have next? Oh, this is a stamp and die set. Now the stamps are £3.18 and the dies are £5.57. And look at the stamp set. How gorgeous is that, with the birds and the flowers? Just super pretty. So you do buy them separately, but they do go together like that. So yeah, £3.18 or £5.57. Look at this bow. This is a waterfall bow die set, and I've never seen anything quite like it. It is just gorgeous, and it's only £2.60. How pretty would that be on a project? A waterfall bow. It is just stunning. I love it. Cannot wait. This is the one in my basket that I'm really excited about today. Really cute. Then we have these almost Art Deco nesting frame dies, £3.49 for all of those. And I do not know, I do not know, lots of them. It's going too quick for me to count. And then we have these long banner dies, £1.45, always handy. They're stitched edges as well, so always handy to have for your projects and easy to put sentiments on or just to decorate. Very good to have if you're no good at making them. They're super easy to cut out. Then we have this lacework envelope, £2.84. How pretty is that envelope to put on your in your journals, etc. Then we have this pocket die. I do already have a pocket die, but this one is lovely for, again, journals or cards. It's £2.12. And if you see in a minute the examples that they use, and it's also got these little label dies as well to go with it. And this is an example of a pocket, so you could put a little gift card in. So really cute. Then we have this 6-piece vintage lace wavy border dies, £2.53 for 6 pieces. Very pretty. Really loving these wavy border dies. I've got some. I haven't used them yet, and I'm very naughty, and I must get round to using them. And then we have some more rectangles with the corners sort of cut in, and these are 4 pieces for £2.83. just a different, again, rectangles, but different. And, you know, I'm sure that they're going to vary in sizes to other rectangles that you have. And then we have this 3-piece cute bows, £2.51. So it cuts out 3 different size bows, which you can use individually, or you can layer them on top of each other. And I really do like the fact that they go down in size and they look really pretty. Then we have a decorative die set. It's a decorative background, £2.32. Again, a bit abstract, a bit different, but you know me, I like to show you lots of different things. You're going to love this next one. Look at this bookmaker die set. You can actually make this book with these dies. So if you're no good at putting books together with the measurements, don't like the measurements, this makes it super easy. £8.24, but it has got all of the bits for you to put this together, and it's just, look at that, super easy and adorable. And you know, you can decorate it as little or as much as you want. So there's the pieces, they all just kind of slot in, and makes it easy to make the pages as well. Very good. Then we have these rectangles and squares layering dies, which are £7.96, and lots of dies for your money. So if you haven't got any layered these layering dies, they are super good to have in your stash. And then we have another set coming up, which is a 4 set layering dies. They're obviously smaller, but you've got the circles, the ovals, the rectangles and the squares, and they are £7.96, but the rectangles and the squares are smaller, and these are like more scalloped edges or stitched edges on that one as well. I found another gift box die. Look at this lovely pillow box gift box, £7.96. I love it, especially with the bows on and the tags, and I haven't seen one quite like this. I think it is really cute. Then I have a supersized square dies. So these are big decorative square dies, £7.59, but they are bigger than your normal squares, so they're lovely sizes, and you do get the 3 sizes there as well. Very decorative. And this one is really cute as well. Large, cute corset dies, £9.53, but they are big, so you could make cards out of them, or you could use them individually. They are a set of 3, so you get these 3 different designs for £9.53, or you can buy the 2. Then we have these 2 set decorative frames, which I thought this was a super bargain, because you actually get the 2 sets for £7.06. So again, lots and lots of dies in there. You've got the rectangles, and then you've got the oval decorative as well. And I found another alphabet. This is a really decorative alphabet set, and it is £7.05, and you've got uppercase and lowercase. Great for putting words on projects. They are just lovely. And you know, I had a chip box before. Well, I have found an elegant French fry box, and this is £6.59, but look at it, how decorative they've made it. Doesn't look like a chip box, does it? And you can put little treats in there. Lovely. Also, that's lovely for a wedding, isn't it? And these are just so pretty. And then I have a flower tag, which is £6.51. Quite big as well. These are quite big, and you've got them in different sizes. So you've got the 3 different sizes, and then gorgeous corner pieces as well. And then if you like rabbits, these are large rabbit dies, £6.50. And I was quite surprised when I clicked on this one, how popular this die set is. There were so many people who bought it. It is gorgeous, but they're quite big rabbits. And then we have these decorative octagons, and they are £6. Very pretty, and again, something different for your project, because I like to bring you different things. And then we have one last dies, one last set of dies. These are an 8-piece wave set, and they're kind of like layering dies, £5.87. So as you can see, I have been busy hunting out gorgeous dies for you, and I will be doing some episodes later on this week showing you some of the dies and how they cut out and what they look like made up as projects. So thank you for watching. Don't forget you can click on the link in the description below to purchase any of the items that I have shown in the video today. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.